One of the most important parts in the fading process is the detailing part. After you go through all the steps from the techniques you choose to create the fade, the last important part, which is missed by most beginners, is to give another 2-3 minutes to improve the fade. That's called the detailing part, and that's what we are going to talk about today. In order to be able to do the detailing part, you must know how to do it. Okay, wait, did I say that? Okay. What I wanted to say, but my tongue did not work 5 seconds before, is that the detailing part can be done in 2 steps. Or to better say, this is the way I do it, and it really works for me. First, let me show you 2 pictures, one before and one after detailing. Can you see the difference? The first one is taken straight after I finish the steps from the fading technique. The second one is after I spend 2-3 more minutes to improve the fade in the detailing part. Okay, how can you do this? Before I show you on a model, I want to mention that all the techniques you learn must be just a part of a bigger picture. So if you want to become a master in the barbering industry, you need to have a strong haircutting system that helps you to implement all the techniques in a step-by-step order that helps you to have clarity on the entire haircutting process. If you are not very familiar with what a haircut system is, don't worry, I have your back. I built for you a free 45 minutes online training where you can learn the VT formula, a nice step-by-step system which will help you approach every single haircut with order, clarity and confidence like a pro. So if you want to evolve your skills and become a master, you need to watch this. After you watch this video, I highly recommend you join this training because you will find a ton of great information that will help you to grow and is free. Okay, let's see now how the detailing part works. As I said, I personally do it in 2 steps. First step, corner angle. I use a clipper with taper blades to have a lighter cut, and with the corner angle I will start removing the darker spots to improve the shades of the transition. How to use the corner angle? So if you look here, I work with 0.5 on the 1.5 area and easy remove the spots. Second step, thinning shear. After I finish the corner angle step, I take a thinning shear and I go to remove the density for the areas that I see a difference between shades. Remember, a sharp fade has no difference between the light, gray and dark shades. Continue until I'm happy with the result, and that's it. Again, you can see the difference here before and after detailing. Now leave a comment below and tell me if you use the detailing part and how you do it. I'm curious. If you like this video, give a like and a share, and don't forget to subscribe because I have for you a brand new tutorial every single week. So make sure you hit the bell button to be notified first. Quick reminder here, the clippers are very important, but don't forget that if you want to be a complete barber, you must master the shears as well. So if you want to start improving your shears work, I have for you a video here on the right where you can learn all about the shears cutting techniques. Just go for it. See you soon. Take care.